Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ain Nur Zari Syuhada binti Zamri. My matric number is 07448887. Today I will be presenting the case of Unim and persons unknown category A and others, a pivotal case in cryptocurrency fraud litigation. I'll start the presentation explaining about the facts of the case, legal issue, followed by judgment, and lastly is the critical commentary. For the facts of the case, Tipawan Unim, a real estate agent in Thailand, was defrauded through an online cryptocurrency scheme. She was contacted by an individual known as Sutep Chansudarat or SC, who persuaded her to invest in Tether tokens USDT via a fake investment platform called INGFX. Over time, she transferred more than USDT 425,000 and paid an additional USDT 259,000 in fake withdrawal fees and taxes. When she attempted to access her profits, SC became unreachable. Through legal action, Unim sought to trace and recover the stolen assets and pursue proceedings against two sets of anonymous defendants linked to the fraud and crypto wallets. For the legal issue, there has three legal issues in this case. First is whether it is possible to trace and recover Tether tokens USDT under common law, which would qualify them as property. Second legal issue, whether it is possible to initiate proceedings and obtain an injunction against persons unknown who are categorized according to their identifiability. For the last issue, whether the first defendants, which is person unknown category A, who were not sufficiently identifiable, may be prosecuted to judgment, in contrast to the second defendants, which is persons unknown category B, who were identifiable by their association with specific wallet addresses. For the judgment of the case, the High Court, led by Deputy Judge Richard Salter KC, held that USD qualifies as property under common law due to its commercial value and promise of redemption in USD. The stolen USDT could be traced through wallet addresses, enabling legal recovery, and the court issued a summary judgment and freezing injunctions against the second and third defendants who were linked to specific wallets but had not responded to the proceedings. However, the court could not proceed against the first group, the unidentified fraudster, due to insufficient information to enforce any judgment. Okay, for the last part, for the critical commentary, this case is a landmark for several reasons. It confirms that cryptocurrency is property, offering fraud victims a legal path to asset recovery. It shows courts can act against anonymous defendants provided there's enough connection, like a wallet address. And it highlights the legal system flexibility in using digital tools to ensure due process. Still, it expresses gaps, especially the challenge of enforcing judgment against unidentified parties. It underscores the need for legal reform and international cooperation to better handle cross-border crypto crimes. To sum up, this case represents a turning point in digital fraud litigation. It demonstrates how the law is evolving to meet the challenges of cryptocurrency, anonymity, and online crime. So this is from me. Thank you for watching.